Hello, my name's Graham Hayward, and I'm the press secretary with the Massachusetts de jure Assembly. Have you ever wished your voice could be heard? Have you thought about getting out into the street with like-minded people, only to come to the realization that most of the time those that should be listening to the concerns of the citizens are in fact far away and insulated from our voices? In the last few years, there has been a grassroots movement that has in fact become an anthem for the ages. Not only in nearly every state in the U.S., but almost every country the world over. We've begun to understand that change will only ever come from the individual, and in turn, those independent souls gathering together to bring about change in their own towns and cities. We've all been part of the status quo. In turn, that has rendered a fractured world, where our supposed leaders have collectively failed us on every level. But we've given all of it our consent. We've participated in voting it here, and we'll all take responsibility in its repair. That era has run its course. Whom better to restore everything from the ground up than the men and women right next door? We are the Massachusetts de jure Assembly. And there's a really good chance an assembly of like-minded individuals has gotten together in your town, state, or country already. Our goal is to unite people no matter their color, gender, or beliefs. We are uniting under the common goal of bringing love, decency, human rights, kindness, courage, and earned respect back front and center as the glue that bonds all Earth beings together. We acknowledge and respect our differences as we come together to stand up to tyranny, saying no, and offering constructive solutions that will rebuild communities, our states, and our nation. With grounded conviction, we take proper action that extends from our deep love and concern for all humanity and our beloved planet Earth. We have food solutions, authentic medical freedom, repair for the environment, and brand new ideas for the nurturing and education of our children. We welcome new members, men and women who care about their communities, including all sentient beings on and in the land, the water, and the air that is our environment. Are you interested in ensuring we have pure and clean water? Interested in fertile soils that support a rich and diverse plant life? Interested in having clean air to breathe and nutrient-dense food to eat? Interested in discovering your best self and creating a world where children realize the potential they show at a young age? It is time to build a system that respects all life. It is time to realize our human capacity. For too long, we've searched for answers and assistance outside ourselves. This revolution is on the inside of each and every individual. All the change and solutions will come from you, from us. For our freedom to endure, it necessitates each of us to contribute as we are called to do so. The days of being a spectator are over. It's time to get involved with your future now. Come and join us, because you are welcome.